The level of maintenance that an IntelliFinishing system requires is minimal.
It's staying on top of what you should be doing day in, day out.
You obviously have wear items. Every system does, but the wear items on this system are very minimal. We've wheels. We've had some electronic things go bad, but that's just electronics. You know, they go bad from time to time.
We carry most of our parts on the shelf to where if we have, an item go down, we're able to put holds strategically on the line, go in, make that fix. I would say the longest fix would probably take us 30 minutes to an hour, and we're back up and rolling.
The amount of stuff that we've spent money on maintenance-wise over the course of the life of the system since we've had it has been minimal.
The biggest mistake really, I think, is sizing the system only for today's business. Companies, they need to pay close attention to maintenance access and long-term operating costs just to purchase price. It's got a good purchase price on it, sure, but it doesn't mean, you got to look at the longevity of the system.